Gift pack.
Yeah, Haldiram.
Battery pack. I had some 7 ampere hour, 1.2 volt, 10 of those batteries. So I connected them in series, and then I made a sort of a front end for this. In terms of computer, what we say, front end.
Right.
So that at least it is usable, convenient to use. And first basic QRs for this were that I should be able to get, I should be able to monitor voltage as well as current with a single meter. I should be able to charge it, and when I am putting to charge, I should not, the output should not be available, so that the charging voltage which is generally higher, so it should not damage the set. And with that, I try to make up some circuit diagram. I have got some copies available here. We can take those who want. There are some more copies of this. Actually, this is a wiring diagram. Circuit diagram was also there, but it had some bug into it, so then I corrected it. It's there in the pencil copy. I'll scan it and then I'll put it on the in the mail group. Now here what I have, the basis is this 3-position switch. Now when you put it to off position, that is for the charging. That means your output is cut off from the battery. And as an additional precaution, I have given an additional switch here, which is on-off switch. Now, the moment you switch on, now I can get the battery voltage here. And this same meter I have used with 2 scales, again from the junk. And here there are lower scales for the current. Sorry, my mistake. Lower scale is for the voltage into 10. That is, it measures up to 50 volts. And upper scale is for for the current, that is into 2. So when I put it to current, so it will indicate the current. The moment I press PTT or in HF, it will show current. At the same time, what I have done is
third position for off.
Third position is in charge. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is charging. Then there are 2 more positions. Because this battery voltage, I don't have any regulator here. So initially the battery voltage will be very high, which I don't want to give it to the set. But the moment you have some resistor, etc., it will always drop. So what I have done, I have used 2 diodes, heavy duty diodes. Yeah, these are the diodes.
Okay, so initially
My bag and bottle is there.
218, 208. This is Ombru, this battery pack. This is battery, etc.
Bag and bottle
Here, what I do is, now it will give me the current. And this is calibrated as upper scale is for current, lower scale is for voltage. Upper scale is into 2 and lower scale is into 10.
क्या सर ये मीटर क्या बताता है?
ये मीटर वोल्टेज और करंट दोनों बताता है.
वोल्टेज forward voltage.
हाँ, like I put it to voltage.
What is forward voltage?
No,
battery power pack का.
Power pack का.
Forward is this signal forward voltage.
No, not signal
and
forward.
reverse voltage.
No.
नहीं सर,
I want to
know.
No, that will be separately there SWR meter.
हाँ, SWR.
This is not in SWR. This is just a pure power supply. Purely a power supply.
Purely power supply.
And then I have the charger.
That's correct. Actually, I consider it as
SWR. No, it's not SWR.
That is not. Yeah, so I was
This is the battery
asking
pack.
for forward voltage and
This is battery
reverse
pack.
voltage.
And ये इसका charging का meter circuit है. And here like I can have a charging with a normal banana pin also, plus I can put 2 points and then charge. ये output है यहाँ से ये output का main switch है. And this is a relay. Relay will help me to switch over various functions. Like when I put it to